Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on TIA. TIA has recently broken down the support of this rising wedge pattern on a 4-hour time frame chart. And in today's video, we will take a look at this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for TIA that I shared a few days ago on 2nd of November 2023 with my members. And this move produced almost 190% pump so far. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for TIA that I shared on 2nd of November 2023 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that TIA formed on a 4-hour time frame chart, on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And after the completion of this final leg, it was slightly moved up. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for some correction. And once it will be re-entered within this buying range, then we can expect the next price reversal. And our buying range was from $2.28 and goes to $2.13. And our sell target zone was this one, and below $2.13 was our stop loss. Now, if I play this chart, then you can see that the price and drop more down and entered the buying zone once again. And then we had almost 190%, very massive pump on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of TIA. And previously, I was showing you this breakout from the symmetrical triangle that was happening on this 4-hour time frame chart. And after the breakout, we retested the previous resistance of the triangle as support. In fact, we also tested the support of the triangle as well, and again moved up. And after testing this resistance as support here, we had a very massive rally and formed another rising wedge pattern. And you can see that after getting squeezed inside this wedge pattern, we have finally broken down the support of this rising wedge pattern. And now the price line is also breaking down this support of $5.65. Right now, you can see that it is moving slightly down than this support level. However, if we take a look at the stochastic oscillator, then on this 4-hour time frame chart, stochastic is completely entered the oversold zone. Therefore, now there is a probability that we may see some price correction, and during that move, it can again move above then this support of $5.65. And if the price then breaks down this support completely, then the next support is quite down from here. That is approximately at $4.21. The next resistance is here at $6.45. That has been previously working as a resistance here and support here as well. Therefore, that can be another very strong resistance. And after that, our next resistance and highest resistance for TIA will be here at $7.30. And in order to continue this rally to the upside that was begun here, we need to break out this resistance of $7.30, and then it can work as a long-term support for the price line, and it can continue its rally to the upside. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Take care. Goodbye.